Inside FUNAAB's powerful research workshop, 26 scholars set to change the game. The Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, has taken a significant step towards strengthening research excellence as it hosted a one-day workshop for 26 beneficiaries of the Institutional Based Research (IBR) grant. The workshop, held on April 7, 2026, was supported by the Tertiary Education Trust Fund and aimed at equipping academic staff with the knowledge and standards required for impactful and globally competitive research. Speaking at the event, the Vice-Chancellor, Prof. Babatunde Kehinde, emphasized the importance of quality, accountability, and adherence to international best practices in research execution. His address, delivered by the Deputy Vice-Chancellor, Professor Olawale Dairo, highlighted the university's commitment to building a strong research culture. He also reviewed plans to strengthen the institution's monitoring and evaluation unit to ensure effective tracking and assessment of research projects. Earlier, the Acting Director of the Directorate of Research, Innovations and Partnerships, Dr. Oluwagbomiga Adeleye, explained that the workshop was designed to address gaps identified in previous research programs, particularly in areas such as reporting standards, documentation, and compliance. According to him, the initiative will not only improve the quality of research output, but also enhance the university's visibility on the global stage. Participants were also treated to insightful lectures, including sessions on research conduct by Professor Isaac Ayelagbe and data integrity and publications by Professor Ellen Bodunde. The workshop focused on three key areas: implementation framework, financial accountability, and reporting expectations, all crucial for the successful execution of funded research projects. The university reiterated its commitment to continuous capacity building and ensuring that research outcomes remain impactful, sustainable, and beneficial to national development.